Today I received a new Furby in the mail. I know he's going to be in really poor condition, but I'll see what I can do to fix him up if possible. As you can see, his beak is in really bad shape and his foot is broken off. Luckily they did give me a bag with some of the missing pieces here, and I'll see what I can do to join those up. I plan on starting with super glue to piece those together and then melting it with a wood burning tool. I don't currently have a soldering iron, but they're pretty close. One thing I did notice is that its feet shape, or the panel itself, is quite different than other Furbies that I've repaired before. The foot on the right is the new foot, and the foot on the left, it has a middle panel that the fur attaches to, rather than on this one, the fur attaches to what I'm holding in my left hand, which is a plate that connects to the leg itself. Now I'll let this sit for several hours to dry completely. After drying, I did try to rethread the bottom here with the screws we have, and it busted open quite a bit. So I'm going to end up replacing the bottom of where the screws thread in from the feet. But right now I'm just using this wood burning tool. When you try to weld plastic, you don't want to keep the heat in the same place for too long, and the goal is trying to push excess plastic over the top into the seam or where the break is itself. Holding it like this, you can see where the screws are supposed to be threaded, but unfortunately disintegrated quite a bit. So I'm going to try and find excess plastic, maybe from a plastic hanger, and re-thread some holes in it and get it shaped out and attached. I'm going to grab a small piece that broke off from the screw threading and melt it into a little deviation or a hole that I couldn't quite fill with the existing plastic of the glued pieces. Since I need to wait on the arrival of a few more tools, I'll go ahead and break this into 2 videos, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you to the subscribers, especially y'all that have been commenting and asking clarifying questions. I love being able to help when I can, and I look forward to making more videos for you.